Okay, question 17 was angles M and N are complementary. What is angle N if angle M is equal to 22 degrees? Okay, so here we are told that two angles are complementary. So if two angles are complementary, that means these two angles add up to 90 degrees. These two angles add up to 90 degrees. So when you add angle M and angle N, they should give you 90 degrees. Now, the actual question is, what is angle N if angle M is 22? So that means we're going to come up with an expression which is M plus N is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, since they are complementary. Okay, then we're going to replace M by its value, which is 22 degrees plus N is equal to 90 degrees. Then we're going to put like terms together. That means we're going to remain with N is equal to 90 degrees. Then 22 will close the equal sign and become minus. Then it will be minus 22 degrees, which will give us N is equal to, when you find the difference of 90 and 22, that is 68. So that is 68. The difference of 90 and 22 is 68. So the value of N is 68 degrees. Okay. Now let's go to question 18. The diagram below shows part of a regular polygon whose interior angles are 150 each. Okay, so you can see a part of the regular polygon here down, and the interior angles are 150 degrees each. So when we talk about regular polygon, we are talking about regular polygon, we are talking about a polygon that has got equal interior and exterior angles, and the sides are also equal. Okay, so now the question is, how many sides does this polygon have? So this polygon has got the entire interior angles, which are 150. So how many sides does this polygon has? So first of all, for us to find this the number of sides, first we need to find the amount of exterior angle. Okay, the amount of each exterior angle. So what are the degrees of the exterior angles? So if we want to find the exterior angles, that means I'm going to extend one angle or one corner. I'm going to extend it like this, the way I've extended using a red there. Then there I've formed a straight line angle where the interior and exterior are subtended, right? Okay, so or are formed. Okay, so we're going to say here we're going to say X. Okay, we're going to say X, so that is the exterior angle is X. So when you find the value of X, that means all the exterior angles of this polygon have the same value as the one we're going to find. Okay, because we need to find the exterior angle that will help us to find the number of sides. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up with an expression to say interior and exterior angle of a polygon add up to 180 degrees. So therefore we're going to come up with 150 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Then what is the value of X? Okay, so we're going to put like terms together. So we're going to have X is equal to 180, then 150 will close the equal sign and become minus, so it will be minus 150 degrees. Then X, we're going to say X is equal to, then the difference of 180 degrees and 150 degrees is 30 degrees. So the value of X is 30 degrees. That is the value of the exterior angle. Now once we've done this, then now we can go ahead and find the number of sides. So we're going to say number of sides is equal to the sum of exterior angles, which is 360 degrees, then divide by one single exterior angle, which is 360 degrees, or which is 30 degrees, not 360, but which is 30 degrees. Okay, if you are wondering why am I using the exterior angles, because the reason I'm using the exterior angles, it's because that no matter how many sides, whether it's regular or irregular polygon, the sum of exterior angles is always 360 degrees. It does not change. Unlike the interior angles, the sum of interior angles depends on the number of sides. But the sum of exterior angles is constant in all polygons, whether regular or irregular. Okay. So, and you should also know that the number of angles is equal to the number of sides. The number of angles is equal to the number of what? Sides. So if we find the number of angles, that means we have found even the number of sides. So we're going to divide 360 by 30, which should give us 12, and this will be 12 sides. Okay, it will be 12 sides. So this regular polygon has got 12 sides. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, let's go to the next question, which is 19 and 20.